Racing. As they settled, we have Sakura IJ. Very quickly to start, moving upon a young Sereno, diving through the lead. We have Kaligatan. Red Storm in the middle. Alexis Princess comes next. Then followed over by Teritun. Kerin Dance comes next. Beautiful Gem, Pristine Water, while Yankee Clipper is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Teritun. Applying a little pressure to one Yaos. That is Kaligatan. Couple of lengths further back. In third comes Alexis Princess. Sakura IJ down on the inside is Red Storm. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Kaligatan maintaining half length lead. Moving up by around Teritun. Next only Alexis Princess. Down in for this Red Storm. Sakura IJ comes next. Kerin Dance, Beautiful Gem, Yankee Clipper, while Pristine Water is in behind them. Another far turn, we have Kaligatan maintaining a couple of lengths. Teritun in second. Then here comes Red Storm, now starting to put big strides. Next on Alexis Princess. Sakura IJ comes next. Kerin Dance, Beautiful Gem, Yankee Clipper, and Pristine Water is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have Red Storm moving upon Yaos to take the lead. Kaligatan drops back in second with about 100 meters of the race. And it's still Red Storm still in a handling position. And finally, Red Storm. Second goes to Teritun, Kaligatan. Then comes Kerin Dance.
That was the instant replay of race number 2. Nakita natin ang datingan ng partner was
hanggang quarter tayo nakita.
Red Storm, followed by 4, Teritun, 9.